biasanya kan cerah di awal, terus menjelang sore kayak kemarin aku mau jalan kemarin tuh, wah gerimis. Musiman berapa kali seminggu larinya?
Biasanya 2 sampai.
Hi guys, see you in my story again. This day, me and 2 of my friends, Johan and Natalie, will doing exercise while enjoying the sunset in CPI area, also in Sunset Quay area. And look at the beautiful evening sky above us. Thank God for this. I'm driving slowly, going to parking area of Sunset Quay. I forgot how many times I came to this place with my friends or different friends, sometimes with my kids or even alone. I think it's a good place for refreshing also.
Kalau kita bisa berhasil berolahraga itu harus disyukuri loh. Cuacanya tergantung banget stamina kita, mood kita. Kalau kita bisa berolahraga saja itu sudah, karena yang menunjang itu kalau salah satunya ini aja nggak bisa kita berolahraga. Kendaraan, keamanan.
Aduh, itu
Mental
lagi ya, yo keamanan itu.
Keamanan.
Yo pernah
loh.
lari sendiri loh.
Kita harus cari di sini kan perlu kendaraan. Kalau di sekitar rumah nggak aman kayak gitu.
Mau lari kemana kalian? Ah? Nanti ke sini, nanti lewat situ ya? Enggak.
Ibu mau di mana? Mau konten sini.
Aku mau nganterin dulu sini. John and Natalie will immediately run, but I want to see the atmosphere around in the afternoon first. Yeah, this is a good place for healing. And then there are women's dance group with wear black and red outfit. Yeah, I like that songs. Just watching their moving. Okay. Yeah, time to walking fast. Walk around the area. Because of the pinched nerve that I have, so I'm not allowed to run anymore. Walking is still safe for me. Finally meet Natalie, but Yewan maybe still running somewhere. When I came back to this area, there are many people already filled the shore to enjoy the sunset. No place available just to sit down. So we go to the other side that no people's around and enjoy the sunset. Okay guys, my story ends here, and I would say thank you to Natalie and Joan to accompany me this afternoon. See you in my next story. Bye.